Raho. My name is Cameron.
My name is Gloris Anderson.
My name is Javeria kella.
For my internship, I worked at the Ages Trust for a month, and my project was to create a memorials book that's going to be sold at Kigali Genocide Memorial. And my biggest takeaway is probably just knowing that what the Ages Trust does every single year is phenomenal, and it's a lot of work, and it's to help prevent mass atrocities all over the world. And to be a part of that was just something that was so great for me.
For my ISP, I did informally shaping the mind of a child around genocide within Rwandan families. I just talked to several different families, including survivors' families, perpetrators or extesists, also returnees, so those that were outside the country during genocide. And then I talked to their families about how they talk about it with their children.
Overall, my experience in Rwanda has been absolutely amazing. I think my favorite part is definitely the people. My host family, like my host mom, dad, and like my small brother, and the people like in terms of local students or like people who are older than me, like just talking to them, interacting with them about the culture, and like constantly comparing it with Pakistan or where I come from. So I think that was one of my favorite parts about SIT Rwanda. In terms of the academic part of it, I really loved the site visits, like being able to go and see how things work, especially as an international relations major. I feel like so often we don't talk about field in the classroom, like it's so focused on like theories or academia, but being able to be in the field and see the difference and contrast between academia and field, and also learning how to like bridge that gap is something definitely I'll take away from this place.